2019 Paper 2 Question 34, complex number. A is a real number, and then for the real part of this part is to find it. First, we need to change this big index into a small index of the complex number I. So for I squared it is -1, I power 3 negative I power 4 it is 1. Actually it's looping for the multiplier of 4. So I power 5 it is I again, I6 it is -1. So stop it here. Now we can change it. So for I power 5 it is I, so then plus I. And then for I power 6 is -1. So like this. So it becomes 4 plus I over A plus I plus 1. Then we need to make it in the same denominator. So like this. Just plus A plus I so that they have same denominator. Then we simplify. So 4 plus A plus II, so I plus I is 2I. Next, because we don't like the denominator with I, so we need to multiply for the opposite term. So we multiply by A minus I, so A plus I times A minus I. Then we do the rainbow, so this part times this one, so it becomes 4A plus A squared, and then minus bracket 4 plus AI, and then plus AI, and then minus 2I squared. And for denominator, actually it is difference of 2 squared, so A squared minus I squared. Now actually, we just consider the real part. You see, real part. So for the real part, we know denominator, it is a real because I squared is -1. And then this one is also. So we will just consider this part, and then with denominator. For these two, it is the imaginary part. So no need to consider. So let's do it. So 4A plus A squared here, and then for this one, -2 times -1. And this one, A squared minus -1. So finally, it is 4A plus A squared plus 2 over A squared plus 1. So you can see the answer is D.